On Friday, the 15th of May 2015, the city of Lagos comes alive for the official opening of the ultra-modern Uptown restaurant and lounge, 59 College Road, Ogba, with performances and special appearances by top music and movie stars, comedians of the Federal Republic, top on-air personalities, industry stakeholders, and the creme de la creme. Get ready to throw down with cool DJ Jimmy Jat, DJ Neptune, DJ KYs, DJ Flex, and more. Host Andre Blaze, Denrele Aduniade. Admission is strictly by invitation. For limited invites, please call George on 0909-6500-480. The official opening of Uptown Restaurant and Lounge, 59 College Road, Ogba, on Friday, the 15th of May 2015 is going to be massive. Don't miss it.
This event is supported by Nigezie, Orisun, City FM, Beat FM, Classic FM, Hip TV, Sound City, AIT, Wazobia FM, and Cool FM.
Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up.